Hi guys, I'm Inye.
And I'm Ladi, and today we're going to be talking about the Logitech G502 wireless gaming mouse.
So guys, this
Laptop.
so guys, this wireless mouse comes with a on and off switch,
But let's talk about the main features of the
which
mouse.
when you turn it on, it gives us lights. So
Okay, that makes no sense.
so this mouse has 11 programmable buttons. You know sense. Okay, let's start again. Let's start from.
No, pass to me. Pass to me.
Let's start afresh.
Pass
Let's
to
start
me.
afresh.
No.
No.
So the aesthetics of the gaming mouse is quite nice. I mean, this isn't my first time handling the G502, but this is my first time getting the G502 wireless. I decided to upgrade to wireless because it's much better. I just felt it's much better being able to just move my hands more freely and being able to just not have that drag from the wired cable. But you do have to charge this cable every now and then, so there is a wired cable connected to it. But the battery life lasts pretty long, so it's not something very noticeable. So just charge it every night before you go to sleep. I believe it does last more than a day. At least you can check the specs in the description, but it lasts way more than a day on one full charge. And yeah, it's a really good gaming mouse that can be used in any situation, and I love the fact that you can just go and sit back on your couch and just use this as a wireless gaming mouse wherever you are. Take it back to your desk and play your favorite video games.
It also has a pretty solid grip. Like it doesn't come off your hand easily, and it also has this really cool weight.
So personally, I don't use the weights. I mean, you can see we have 4-gram weights, 2-gram weights, and like there's quite a lot of weight on there you can attach to the mouse. Personally, I don't use them because I play a lot of shooter games and I need my mouse movement to be much quicker, which is, in my opinion, is better. But I think this just depends on you. But I love that they added the option there for you to decide with what you want to do with your mouse. So you can add as much weights as you want to help make your mouse more precise for those precise aiming and stuff like that. But if you're like me, you make fast movements, especially in games like Fortnite and so on, you might not really want to use this. So, but it's a nice touch to have it.
So guys, the middle mouse button has this cool feature whereby when you click on this, it scrolls freely, and then when you do this, it gives a more
Scroll.
precise scroll. So
Slice.
that's so guys, go check it out in the description below and buy it, and then we'll get 50% free.
So personally, I recommend this mouse or maybe the wired version because it's cheaper, because it's, in my opinion, the best gaming mouse for new beginners because it has so many buttons. Most gaming mouses don't have more than 4 or 5 buttons. This has 11, and you might be wondering what you need to use 11 for, but trust me, as someone who switched to mouse and keyboard gaming, having 11 buttons made the transition so much more quickly because I had everything in my thumb. A lot of my buttons were binding to my mouse. It's not the best professional option if you're trying to be a pro gamer, but it would be better if you have it on your keyboard. But like having it on your mouse just helps you get adjusted, quickly to the mouse and keyboard, gaming. So like, yeah, trust me. In my opinion, I've tried quite a few other mice before. This is the best mouse for new beginners, for people getting used to mouse and keyboard. Okay, and that's just my personal opinion. But yeah.
So guys, if you like this mouse and you want to get it, you can get it from the description, in the link in the description below, and then like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Like to bye, peace. Really, that side and front.
Don't